Parenting Hacks 4 Tips for Giving Medicine to Your Child. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel My Mum's Choice. Today, we are tackling a common parenting challenge giving medicine to your child. It's not always easy, but we have got you covered with these 4 essential tips. Stay tuned till the end for some bonus advice. Get the dose right. Read the label and measure carefully. Tip number 1. Get the dose right. It all starts with reading the label and measuring carefully. Some medications are dosed based on your child's weight and age, so pay close attention. Use the provided measuring device, like a syringe or dropper, for accurate dosing. Choose the right time. Schedule doses conveniently. Tip number 2. Choose the right time. Try to schedule doses when your child is calm and not too hungry or tired. This can make the experience more pleasant for both of you. Make it palatable. Mix with a small amount of favorite drink or food. Tip number 3. Make it palatable. Some medications don't taste great, but you can make them more appealing by mixing them with a small amount of your child's favorite drink or food. Just make sure to check with your healthcare provider if it's safe to do so. Stay calm and comforting. Offer praise and comfort afterward. Tip number 4. Stay calm and comforting. Administering medicine can be stressful for your child, so be reassuring and offer praise afterward. A little encouragement can go a long way. Bonus tip. Keep medications out of reach. And here is a bonus tip. Keep medications out of reach. Store them in a secure place to prevent accidental ingestion. Safety always comes first. There you have it, 4 essential tips for giving medicine to your child and a bonus tip for safety. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow parents who might benefit from these suggestions. If you have any other parenting topics you'd like us to cover, or if you have your own tips to share, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical parenting advice. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and until next time, take care and parent like a pro.